Lesson number 18. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. Did you plan where you would go before you left? Did you make reservations ahead of time? Did you travel alone or with others? Of the places you have been, which was the prettiest? Of the places you have been, which was the most impressive? Of the places you have been, which was the most educational? How? In the countries you visited, which people were the friendliest? In the countries you visited, which people were the least friendly? What languages have you spoken while traveling? What are some useful phrases to learn in a foreign language? Why? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.